All we need in this recipe is oregano, pepper, basil, eggs, almond flour, parmesan, and 3 eggplants. First, have a doll help peel and slice the eggplant. Next, crack the eggs into a bowl and scramble them. Now add the almond flour to a bowl. Depending on how many eggplant slices you have, you may need 2 cups of almond flour. My dad is low carb, so we use almond flour, but you can use a wheat-based flour instead. Next, add the Parmesan cheese. You need the same amount of cheese as the flour. So if you use 2 cups of flour, you need 2 cups of cheese. Mix that together and then add the basil, oregano, and pepper. You need 1 teaspoon of each per cup of flour. Mix that all together and then add a piece of parchment paper to a cookie sheet and spray it with olive oil. Now it is time to coat the eggplant in the breading. Start by dipping the eggplant slice in the egg mixture and then coat it in the breading. Once that is done, move it to the cookie sheet. Make sure to set your oven to 375 degrees. It can heat up while you are coating the eggplant slices. Once the sheet is full, put it in the oven. If you are a king like me, habit will help you. Repeat the process for the second cookie sheet. When the 20 minutes are up, flip the first set of eggplant slices. Then put them back in the oven for another 20 minutes. Now prep the Parmesan part. For this, you need a jar of sauce and shredded mozzarella. We prefer to shred our own. You can ask an adult to help grate it. Start by pouring some sauce in the bottom of a casserole dish. My dad likes lots of sauce. Then layer the eggplant slices, sauce, and cheese. Repeat until you have run out of slices. As you assemble the layers, change the oven temperature to 400 degrees. When you have finished the last layer and you're a kid like me, have an adult help put it in the oven. If you're an adult, put it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. When it is done, take it out and let it cool before serving. Enjoy! Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Remember to share.